How I made $12,921.80 with ChatGPT wasn't about luck. It wasn't about going viral or hitting some weird algorithm glitch. It came down to one thing: using ChatGPT the right way to build a faceless YouTube channel in a niche most people completely overlook. In this video, I'll show you every single step I used to do it. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice on how to grow, automate, and run your YouTube channel for free. For now, let's start right at the beginning. I chose the Mysticism and Ancient Wisdom niche for one reason: there's serious demand and barely any real competition. People are obsessed with the hidden side of history, ancient secrets, lost civilizations, and spiritual knowledge that goes way deeper than what you hear in school. Channels in this niche don't need constant content. Their videos get views for years because the topics are timeless. Plus, the audience is loyal. They click, they watch, and they return for more. That makes it a perfect niche for an automated YouTube channel. Step 1. Create a channel. The first thing I did was create a branded YouTube channel. That means I needed a name, a logo, and a banner. All of this is important because it sets the mood and personality of the channel. You want people to feel something when they see your channel. You want them to feel curious. You want them to click. To get a great channel name, I asked ChatGPT for help, using this prompt. I recommend saving this video so that you can come back and copy and paste all the prompts I'll be using. ChatGPT gave me a list of names with powerful meanings. I picked one that felt right for the kind of videos I wanted to make. A good name makes a big difference, because people decide in just a few seconds whether they trust your channel or not. Next, I needed a logo. I didn't draw anything myself. I used the image generator built into the logo. Turned out amazing. It looked like something from an ancient scroll, but also clean and modern enough to use on YouTube. You want your logo to give people a sense of curiosity and trust. It should feel professional and mysterious at the same time. After the logo, I made the banner. The banner is the large image that shows up at the top of your YouTube channel. It helps set the mood. I used ChatGPT for this too. With just these two visuals, the logo and the banner, my channel already felt alive. It looked like a real brand, not just something someone made quickly. That's important, because people take it more seriously. Step 2. Get video ideas. You can't make your videos on just any random topic. Your video ideas have to be powerful, emotional, and deep. They have to make people feel something. I asked ChatGPT for help again using this prompt. What came back was gold. These ideas made me feel something right away, and made me think that I would want to click and watch. If I felt that way, I knew other people would too. Step 3. Generate a script. After picking a video idea, I needed a full script. I wanted the script to feel deep and poetic, like something from an ancient book. I asked ChatGPT again. The scripts that came back felt like they were written by someone who had studied these ideas for years. All I had to do was copy the script and move to the next step. Step 4. Generate a voiceover. I didn't record the voice myself. I used ElevenLabs, my go-to tool for generating AI voiceovers. It sounds like a real person, and you can pick the kind of voice you want. I went to their voice library. Then, I clicked on narrative and story. Then, I filtered by English language, chose male voices, and sorted by the most used ones. You want to look for a voice that has over 1,000 users. I picked a voice that sounded wise and calm, like a storyteller. One of my favorites was Declan's Sage.
In the stillness of contemplation, the universe whispers its secret.
After picking the voice, I pasted the script I got from ChatGPT into the voice generator and hit generate. After a few seconds, I heard the voiceover.
What if light does not come from above, but from within? What if the brightest flame burns in the darkness?
The result was incredibly high quality and sounded real and emotional. I downloaded that voice file and moved on to visuals. Step 5. Create visuals. This is where I created the images that would show on screen while the voiceover played. I didn't use video clips or stock footage. I used powerful, artistic images that looked like they came from ancient scrolls or dream worlds. To get those images, I used this prompt in ChatGPT first to get image generation prompts. I copied these image generation prompts into a Google Doc. Then, I copied and pasted each prompt, one by one, into ChatGPT and let it generate each visual for me. You could use Leonardo AI for this as well. The images helped tell the story in a more visual and emotional way. They looked ancient, mysterious, and symbolic. Exactly the feeling I wanted. Step 6. Edit the video. I used CapCut for this, as it's a free and simple video editor. I created a 1920 by 1080 video project. I uploaded the 10 images. I also uploaded the voiceover. If the voiceover was 8 minutes long, I divided the time equally, giving each image 48 seconds on screen. I also added simple light and texture effects to the images. This made them feel like they were glowing or breathing. I went to the effects section in CapCut, picked light effects and texture, and applied it to each image. Then, I added background music from the YouTube audio library. I picked something slow, deep, and emotional that matched the mood of the story. Last, I added automatic captions in CapCut so people could read along. Once I watched the entire video and was happy with it, I downloaded it to upload. Step 7. Create a thumbnail. As I uploaded my video to the channel, I created a video thumbnail by using this prompt in ChatGPT. It gave me the perfect image for my video. For the title, description, and tags, I used the vidIQ Chrome extension to help me out. And finally, I clicked on Publish. That's it. That's the full process I used to make over $12,000 with ChatGPT. One video at a time, one story at a time. If you follow these steps and stay consistent, you can do it too. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. As you can see here, our members go through the 7-day YouTube Starter Challenge and learn how to launch their first faceless YouTube video in just 7 days. One of the most popular free courses here is a YouTube Starter Blueprint that teaches the quickest ways to get to your first $1,000 per month, as well as the tools I use to grow this channel to over $500 per day. This community is a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What do you think about the ancient wisdom and mysticism niche? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.